Hey guys, what up? Welcome back to the channel. So we got stir crazy and got tired of being at home. We had to get out and get some fresh air. We're out here at a park, and this is gonna be a day that goes down in history because this is both of our first FPV experience. We've been doing that simulator and we've flown the drones line of sight a little bit in the garage. But this is gonna be the first time we actually do it FPV here in this park. We're gonna take the drones out for a flight and get some footage on with his goggles and show you guys what it looks like.
Well, wish me luck. No trees, no water. Yeah. Stay tuned.
We're gonna get ready, guys, and put the drone up. He's gonna go first and I'm gonna go second. So see that little drone right there? It's called an Arrow. That's what he's gonna be flying right now. So let's roll that footage right now. Here he goes, guys. He's gonna plug it in and arm it and take off. As soon as he gets taken off, we'll put you to the FPV footage.
Guys.
All right, guys, so he just got done with his first FPV experience, and now I'm gonna do mine. What'd you think about it, Tommy?
Man, it's like the simulator. You just gotta calm down and not want to explore and go slow.
Yeah, and the wind is pretty bad today, so it's affecting us. It's not the greatest day for our first flights FPV, but we're gonna manage anyway. I think it's gonna affect me more than it affected him, but the wind is blowing pretty good, guys.
Yep.
He lost it a couple times, as you guys seen from the footage, and I'll probably do the same, but here we go. Let's roll that footage. I'm gonna take off and fly around. You guys let us know what you think down in the comments. Oh, this is what I'm flying. This little Tinyhawk Freestyle right here. And he flew his. It's an Arrow 3.
And he's armed. Little lawnmower action. And he's gone.
The controls are backwards.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Bring it back. Drop it, drop it, drop a tree. that RSSI critical, you went down.
Yeah, I lost signal just because I went a little ways away in this grassy field, guys. Now we're trying to go find it.
Yeah, it's right here. Looks like you're upside down.
Oh, there it is over there.
Yep.
Here, take this for me. It's recording. Put it on it.
Can't even see it in the grass. It's so small. And that is one drone recovered. No drone left behind. And we're gonna go for a little ride.
I'll try to come back by and buzz us. All right, guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. That's our first FPV experience at this little park. Next time we do it, we're gonna go to a park with no trees so we can, because I'm getting a little bit of breakup from the trees. It's causing me to mess up.
Yeah.
And the VTX I've heard on that Freestyle ain't so good, but I got upgrade parts for the other one, so we'll figure it out. We'll get it to go further than what it did. And Tommy did a really good flight, as you guys saw.
My last flight was really good. The first couple of flights, I was still getting used to it and acclimated, so I crashed. Of course, I mean, I'm a noob, I'm a beginner, so yeah. But one thing about the HGLRC Aero 3 is if you touch any kind of grass, it's gonna end up splattered all over your camera. So like, the second you'll see it, you'll actually see it. The second I get really low and touch the barely touched the grass, and it was like grass all over the camera. So yeah, I had to fly through that. But yeah, it once I got used to it and everything, it's just like a simulator. Like, so
Yep. So we'll definitely be more doing more videos like this. We're gonna do lots of FPV stuff. We just got to get better and get our equipment better, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let us know down below if you guys enjoy the FPV footage.
Yep.
Thanks for watching, guys. We love you. Keep your head up. Find something to do to stay busy.
Yep. Subscribe.
Yep, for sure.